So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Oh, you're so feisty, Moo. Oh, you're dangerous. You dangerous? It's okay. You're okay. Come on, relax. 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 It's really cold right there, honey. I know, you're so feisty.
You cannot eat a whole loaf of bread. No. No. It's bigger than you. How are you going to eat it? You have a problem. Yes. You've eaten like 8 times this morning already, and now you want a whole loaf of bread? Really? You're crying for no reason. I think you are well fed. What do you, stop eating butter. What are you doing? No. No. You have a problem. Yes, a problem. I think we need to check you in somewhere. Yeah. No. To the floor you go. Jeez.
Come into my crib. I'll show you a tour. This is where I shit. This is where I pray to God. Sometimes he answers. This is my bed. He's always here. He has no family.
This is the shit I have to deal with. Give me my tortilla back. This was a burrito. Holy fucking shit. No. Spit it out. Spit it out. God damn it.
Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby.
I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear. So I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no. Wasted.